This is Saturday morning, August. La, la, la. And Scotty has his little kitty on his backpack. Kitty. He has his little kitty on his backpack. Hold on, Scotty. Can you show him your backpack? Let me show him your backpack. He has a kitty in it. You got your kitty. Do you like your kitty? He said his kitty cat's name is Kitty Cat. Well, bye now.